Okay, Peter, we're going to go back into the back end of the site. I have the login panel here. I have everything put in as admin. And we're going to look at some text editing here. Let's go take a little tour of our menu bar here. We were in global configuration. Here are where you basically deal with menu items, but let's deal pretty much with article manager on this lesson. So you have access to it through content article manager, or you have it here as an icon. Now, if you looked at the first video that I sent, we went through this a little bit. These are the articles that are there. Direct veneers is a separate article that actually is not attached to a menu button. That has been folded into background or the About Us thing. Let's take a look, though, at before and after, because that's an area where you're going to need to add some text. Now, here's what the page text editor looks like, obviously. And you have a scroll bar all the way over here, and then this enables you to go up and down, so forth. Now, this might require that we get together and talk a little bit about how to put text in. You have patient 1. Obviously, just by selecting that and maybe typing the name of the patient, first name, and perhaps what the problem was on the left side and what the correction was on the right side, you could put the patient and maybe some reference to what's going on here. The place where you would put the text, you can see that there are table sections here. Now, we can do this a couple different ways, but here's what I would suggest. You have a table area. Here's a space here that is one cell that goes all the way across, and then right below it you have a cell here where the text will automatically center below the centered picture here. So I would say maybe you could have two sets of explanations. You could have an explanation for the before situation, what the problem was, and then over here you can type in how you corrected the situation. And up here could perhaps be some kind of a title that goes with the before and the after situation. So if you see what I'm talking about, before description of case, then over here you would put in the after description of case. And as long as you don't really go beyond the borders, you know, it has preset font style, sizes, etc. And you can just go down the line and basically do that for each one. Now, if you want to change the way this table is set up, or if you want to maybe, it might be nice to where we see before and after close-ups, I could actually create an image header instead of just a text header so that we could style it a little bit better. You know, give me some ideas about that. But as far as entering text for your before and after description of the case, it's already set up with these table cells, and they all basically are set up the same all the way down the line. Where you see this line right here, that's where it goes into page 2, which I've set up for you, and you have a total right now of 11 cases. You could add another one by just to add a picture. I probably should show that to you, but it involves placing the cursor where you want it to go. Click on image right below here, and we could I think that I've got these before and after images in their own section. I think it's pics. No, it's not there. Let's try gallery. Oh, I think I see it. Before and after. Okay. So here's where all the before and after pics are. The ones that are numbered here are the ones that I have pre-sized to fit in here. So, and I can do the resizing for you. I can also add border effects and this little bit of shading that I have here, or remove that. That's basically how it does. So, putting images in, again, this corner button, before and after folder, and here they are. And if you want to, if you get good at resizing them yourself and you want to upload more into this folder, you simply hit choose file, and if you have them on your desktop or somewhere in your computer, that's where you would upload them. So I think that's enough for right now. So let's go back out of here. If we just close it without saving, then it should be the same as it was. So anyway, on to the next tutorial, and I hope this is valuable to you, and maybe you can do some work on that tonight. So give me a call if you have any questions, of course, and I'll talk to you later.